What is good vlog? My YouTube goodies. Speaker. I just saw people using this, so I'm eating because I'm so hungry. I actually wanted to cut my hair. Yeah, this is my fit, guys. Oh my gosh, please don't mind my hair. I just woke up. The time is now 9 o'clock. I'm about to go to the salon to wash my hair because I'm so lazy to do it in the shower and it's so cold. I don't want to spend like hours in the shower. Not hours. So normally when I wash my hair by myself, I do it in the shower and I'll spend like an hour busy trying to wash my hair because I also have to condition. My wash day is so long, so I'm thinking let me rather do it in the salon this month. Yeah, because I also want to do cornrows. There is a wig that I want to install. Oh my gosh, because I'm so happy about this. Oh my gosh, not me fully. Yeah, I have a wig to install. So I want to do cornrows, but I'm gonna install the wig on camera. So I'm gonna post a video like a wig installation tutorial, something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna install it. And I'm gonna show you guys how I install my wigs. This one is a frontal. I've shown you guys how I install my 4x4 closure wigs, and then now I want to show you guys how I install my frontals. Yeah, and I'm so excited. I'm back. Whoa, job. What am I doing? I'm back and I didn't do my hair because I forgot. I forgot, but I'm back and I did some shopping. I did some shopping which I wasn't supposed to, but I did it anyway, child. But before we talk about, okay, I'm just gonna do this because I look like a madman. Okay, I look like I'm crazy, but okay, yeah, that will work. Before I start with anything, I just want to unbox my YouTube goodies. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Okay, first we have, I saw this already, this is the ring light, but not just any ring light, a selfie ring light for your phone, and it's written YouTube. So let's test it out. You just connect it to your phone just like this and you turn it on. Ooh, period. That is it. And it also comes with like a cable, just like that. Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome. Thank you, YouTube. We have a diary, but before a diary we have a note. We have a note for me. Okay, it says thank you for joining YouTube Africa Month Creator Day. Okay, I was reading the note. I just had to change my memory card. Okay, it says thank you for joining YouTube Africa Month Creator Day. Please enjoy this gift as a token of thanks for bringing your voice to YouTube. Don't forget to continue the conversation. Hashtag Africa Voice shorts. African Voices on Shorts, YouTube SSA. That is for me, guys. And then we have a notebook here. It's YouTube, and also the pen, YouTube. I don't know what I'm gonna write in here, but I'll definitely use it. Okay, I'll save the big one for the last. Woo, guys, this is so beautiful. It's like a water bottle. Yes, can remove this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So cool. Yes, baby. Okay, this is the name tag. It's guys, it has my name on it. YouTube knows me by name and surname. And then we have we have a Nest Mini speaker. We have a speaker, not just any speaker. Speaker shaka Google. Oh my goodness. Should I open it? Should I open it? Should I open it? Should I open it? Okay, let me just open. Let me just. Speaker. It's so cool. It's so cool, guys. This is amazing. Okay, so this is the speaker. Is it on? Is it on now? I don't even know what it does when it's on. Hello? Google? Okay. Oh, it has a charger. So you can charge it. And of course there is a pamphlet. I guess it comes with instructions. Okay. That is it. Okay, I think that is it. So let me just try and read the instructions, and I'll come back when I know how to use it. Okay, so I've connected the speaker. At least I know how it works. You have to download the Google Home app and just connect it just like that. Another thing, I went okay, I also went to Clicks and I got foundation. This time around I'm trying the Wet n Wild photo focus foundation. It says it's matte, but I didn't see that it's matte. I thought it's just, you know, because I didn't want a matte thingy. I didn't want a matte foundation. I don't like matte, especially because it's winter. There's a special at Clicks. Let me just read out what I got. Okay, first we have a face mask. Look at this. The face mask. Okay, face mask was, can you focus please? Can you focus? Damn, it doesn't want to focus. It was one the face mask was 190, and then I got it for 113 rands. 13. It's the Hello it's by Essence, by the way. It's the Hello Good Stuff face mask. It says to be calming and regenerating with cucumber water. So I think I'm gonna try it tomorrow morning. And yeah, it smells good. I'm gonna try it tomorrow morning. I don't even know if, like, do you have to wait for it to dry or what? Guys, I'm not a person with a face mask, but I just feel like the girl, so I have to get a face mask. And then I also got this. To be honest, I just saw people using this, so I also want to be that crew. We are go it's also by Essence. It's the Hello Good Stuff face oil. It says here it's Care, Glow and Prime with rose hip seed oil. Really? Okay, I thought I took the one that said with tea tree oil, or I didn't see properly, or it wasn't a face oil. I think so. So I think I'm gonna use the face oil. Yeah, the face oil was 120, and then the last thing that I got was concealer, because remember I told you guys that I'm going there for concealer. So how do you even open this? My hands. Okay. Hey, ningathobi phela. Hey. Oh, you see, when you don't read, you're just ready to break everything open. Good morning vlog. It is Friday today, and it is content creation day for me. I am about to shoot some content, Instagram reels and 2 YouTube videos, a clothing haul and a sit down get ready with me. Someone asked me to do like a sit down get ready with me, but I'm not sure if I want to do like a get ready with me, or I want to do, because I want to do like what do you call it, a hair installation, frontal installation tutorial. So I'm not sure if I should do it like that, or should I just do it in like a get ready with me format or type, where I also show you guys how I do my makeup, because the person that asked me to do the get ready with me wanted like a makeup tutorial. So I'm not sure, or maybe, yeah, maybe I'm going to include the makeup tutorial in this vlog, and then the sit down video will just be like a what do you call this, a hair installation tutorial. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So okay, I'm doing it this way because I am not a makeup content creator or beauty content creator, so that is why I'm just putting it in this vlog, right? Yeah, because also learning makeup your trapa, and I'm still learning some more techniques. Yeah, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my natural look, whatever simple makeup that I do. And I forgot to show you guys that I also got this got to be glued, so it's the one that I'm going to be using to install the hair. Yeah, I'm going to be using this baby. It will be my first time using it, so it's also like a review of this baby. Yeah, Yeah. Oh, and today I got my Takealot delivery. I'm not really happy. I ordered some headband wigs for my headband wigs collection on my website. Yeah, I'm trying out these headband wigs, but they are not what I expected them to be. So I'm just gonna try and make a wig and see how it comes out. And they also gave me like a thank you what sticker, whatever, but I don't know where to put this. Do you like I don't know where to put this, because it says Kia Level and it says Takealot, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. But the main thing that I had ordered was a tripod, so it also came today from Takealot, as you can see. Yep. So let me just unbox it quickly. Some scissors. I feel like this is proper quality tripod, unlike the one that I ordered last time. Yo, that one, guys, it broke. Did I even tell you? I didn't. That one broke. So okay, so it comes, I think this is for the phone. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is dope. It also comes with a remote. Guys, it also comes with a remote and a cable. I think the cable is for the remote. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what is this? Endol whatever that is, but yeah, that brand. Child. Oh my god, but I feel like it works the same way as the previous one. Okay, so right now I'm just going to oh, and it's longer than that one, so now I can take proper full body pictures. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Remember that time I was exporting a vlog and it's ready, so let me just go ahead and upload it. It's uploading. Yes.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the bat. So you lure me dancing like crazy.
This is how long the tripod is. Like, it's literally like this. So amazing. Okay, so let me just set you guys up on the tripod and see how. Okay, so I'm about to get ready. I don't know if the lighting is good, but whatever. I'm about to get ready. I have my mirror over here. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with the Hello Good Stuff Face Oil by Essence. I've been loving this, guys. I've been using it like literally the whole week, so yeah, and it's so good. I need Takealot, see, you know, but then it's so good. I'm just going to apply it all over. I think I'm gonna play some music, but since this is like a tutorial, then I guess I'll have to like I'll have to keep explaining what I'm doing. Oh, now you can't see me. Oh, just okay. Can you see me now? Oh, I think I had a sharp layer go at first. Okay, so I've applied the face oil. Just gonna close it and put it away. And then now I'm gonna use my primer. This also, it also acts as a primer, you know, but I also like to go in with this one from Kangal. I got this one from Truworths. It's a Kangal brand. It's for matte. It's a mattifying primer. It's for matte. So I just apply just like that. Guys, I'm not doing like a crazy makeup, because I don't know how to do crazy makeup, you know. So this is for like my beginners, my fellow ladies who are beginners. Why do ladies, not ladies, it's not only ladies who put on makeup, so yeah. Okay, so after the step we go to the brows, and this is where I keep all my brushes, and this is where I keep all my products. So here it's only brushes, but yeah, I'm gonna use a spoolie. You guys know a spoolie, a spoolie. And then I'm gonna take this eyebrow pencil. It's an eye and lip pencil. It's the one, like, you don't even have to sharpen it. It's just, you know, where you know so much. So I just do like, should I bring you guys closer so that you can see what I'm actually doing? Okay, and then guys, you don't have to do too much, otherwise your brow will come out very, very dark. So now for concealing, remember I bought this concealer. It's in the shade what, number 11. Please focus, please focus. Whoa, where ma, please focus now. Okay, there, it's number 11. Whatever, come back to me, come back. Wait, what did I do now? Okay, there we go. So I've mastered, I finally figured out how to use it. You just do this and product will come out, and then you do whatever that you want to do. So I'm just gonna apply it over here. You take like a flat brush, guys, and then
can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling.
Blend this thing out. So I'm just going to blend
For you, but I won't rush this love.
I'm not gonna do anything to my eyes, no eyeshadow whatsoever. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my foundation, which is the new this is a new foundation to me. It's my first time using it. It's the Wet n Wild. If you can just focus, please. Oh, my camera. But yeah, guys, it's the Wet n Wild foundation, photo focus foundation, and it is matte in the shade Mahogany. So I'm just going to open it. It has like this applicator, and I'm just going to do that, since well it comes with an applicator. And I feel like I'm putting too much foundation. I like to layer my foundation, like I go in layers. So this is too much for a first layer. Okay. It looks different on camera. It looks like orange, but on real life it's not. And I don't know why it does that, or is it my camera? Look, I look so red, but no, I feel like what you guys are seeing is not what I'm seeing on my mirror.
I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right.
It's almost giving full coverage, but as I said, I do layer my foundation, so I think I'm gonna go in with the second layer to have that flawless coverage, full coverage. So just to like properly review this foundation, it is mattifying, but it's not that deep matte, and also it is almost full coverage. As you can see, now that I've layered, it's giving like full coverage. As you can see, I don't know, or am I the only one seeing it? But I can see it's like almost full coverage because I've layered it. With one layer you cannot achieve full coverage. So what else? Yeah, it's really giving. It does give. Hold on, guys. So I'm just going to apply my highlight concealer. Apply and see, and basically this is what I do, guys. And then after, I will bake my face using I don't really bake, but just to set my face using this translucent powder from Signature. And then after, I contour using this, where is it, I wanna mention, but I do contour. Okay, I think I'm gonna look for it and I'm gonna show you guys. But my battery, is dying, so yep. Oh my gosh, look, I stained my top. Why did I decide to wear a white top and do makeup? But anyways, this is the hair, guys. I'm just going to brush it. Yep. And then I'm going to put on some foundation inside. I look good, yeah. I think I look good. What do you guys think? What do you think? I look good. Who are you and what do you want? I'm about to shoot a video right now, right here. Ugh, what's wrong with my ring light? You guys, so I am done recording the try on haul. I only did the sit down part of it and a little bit of the oh, I just ordered food but they're coming, so yeah. So I did the try on part. I did like 4 items of the try on part. No, not 4, I think, yeah, 3 items of the try on part, and then I did the sit down video. So I think tomorrow's on Saturday, so I think I'm going to finish up the try on part and then I'm going to edit. But for now, I have to edit, what do I have to edit? This vlog, yeah. Oh yeah, and that video is not up yet. I don't know what's going on because it is connected to the Wi-Fi. My phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, so I don't know why it's not working. But I look cute. I look cute, kind of natural. Don't guys. Look at me. Is that you? It was not uploading the whole day, imagine. And I thought it's uploading. I thought by now it would be up. Well, I was so busy I didn't even have time to check. I think they are here. I think my food is here. So quickly. No, it's not. It's not them. Oh yeah, it's them. Let me go get my food and I'll be back. Okay guys, my food is here and I am about to eat. Where should I put this? I don't want to use the tripod because I want to clean my room. Is such a mess. My room is such a mess because I was busy, like just I need to to go to the toilet. But first, let me eat. Ouch. Let me eat because I'm so hungry. I'll clean my room later. I'll clean my room like after eating, when I have the energy, because now I don't have the energy. But I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. Guys, good morning. Good morning vlog. I just want to make breakfast. Hi vlog. I'm about to record a video. I think I should remove these bags over here. Okay, so I'm about to record a YouTube video, but I'm not sure about my setting. I don't like this part here, so I don't know what I'm going to do, because already the sun is like all over this room. So I'm not sure if I should just continue. Oh damn. Okay, but what I want to do right now is that I wanna, what is this thing? I have like 2 videos to record, which is a this video that I'm recording right now, a wash and go tutorial, and then I also want to record a reel for Instagram, but I'm not sure if the time will allow me to do that. So let me just quickly prepare my hair for the wash and go. I'm not putting a lot of water because the wash and go doesn't need any water, although it says it's a wash and go, but there's no washing. There is no washing whatsoever. You guys are gonna see how I do it. Just keep subscribing and be on the lookout for that video. I haven't been taking care of my hair. I haven't been loving my hair. I actually wanted to cut my hair, so I wanted to, like, it's either I cut my hair or I dye my hair, right? So now that I've dyed my hair, I decided to dye my hair, but now that I've dyed it, it's like I'm still not convinced I need this hair. And you know what's gonna be next is me relaxing my hair, which I'm not sure if I really want to do it, but I think I will, because right now I'm not loving my hair. I am sort of demotivated to have natural hair. So yeah, let me just start with this video. But I think I will relax my hair with a blowout relaxer, and just to like give my hair some life, you know. I do relax my hair with the blowout like every other 6 months or 3 months or whatsoever, whenever I feel like I want to. But the last time I did it was last year, and I told myself that I'm never gonna do it. I'll just continue having my natural hair, and I can see that my hair needs that blowout relaxer. So yeah, let me just start. I'm gonna be using the Eco Styler, so you guys should watch out for this video. Bye. I'll talk to you guys when I'm recording the reels. So bye for now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move, you guys. Where? Okay, I'm just gonna remove the camera from the tripod. But guys, I look so cute, and I'm taking a break from eyelashes. So okay, I'm saying I'm taking a break from eyelashes because I just need to rest. I mean, okay. I'm gonna take a new. Okay, guys, I just hope you don't see anything because your girl, you know, when I told you guys that when I'm vlogging and I'm in the house, just know that there is absolutely nothing underneath. So I'm just gonna show you guys my setup quickly. This is my setup, and I'm gonna take my videos over there, right, just by the door over there. Okay, hi vlog. So I am in a process of taking my pictures. I've already filmed the reel and I forgot that I'm vlogging, and I wanted to show you guys how I do my reels, like the behind the scenes of my reels. But as you can see, I told you guys the hair will shrink. Okay, I didn't say it in this vlog, but in the video I did say that the hair is going to shrink, so I was expecting shrinkage. So but yeah, let me just show you guys how I take my pictures. Since normally I don't use the ring light, but because it's so dark right now, it's around past 5, so I had to bring my ring light, and I couldn't go take pictures outside. But this is my setting, my phone over there, my ring light, and this is where I take my pictures. Yeah, I'm just using that white background over there. And yes, so let me just put it down and you're gonna watch me take my pictures. Yeah, also I use this shutter, Bluetooth shutter for the camera, and I just try by all means to hide it with my bag or with my hand. Like when I'm holding the bag, I'm just gonna hold like this, and then something like this. You see, this is how the picture is gonna show the bag, and this is the behind of the bag, and I'm just gonna press just like that, and the picture is gonna take. So
Oh, Benizet. Oh, Benizet. Oh, Benizet.
yeah, this is my fit, guys. Yeah, this is my OOTD, baby. I'm wearing stockings. What is this? Mini skirt and my Mr. Price boots, and this jacket that I got for 15 rands. 15 rands at Coats and More. You remember, guys, this was my first brand to work with, which is Coats and More. I worked with this brand last year, and it is my first time wearing this coat. Yeah, it's my first time wearing their coat, and I love it so much. You can't even tell because I got it for 15 rands. Yeah, not my 15 rands though. They are 15 rands, but yeah, I love it so much. I'm just looking at myself on the phone because my camera is still on. So There's a picture that I saw yesterday on Pinterest and I really want to recreate it. Where is this thing? I can't even remember how it was, but I think it was something like kodwa mina ngimuhle Jehova. Wake wayibona into nje. What is good vlog? Hey guys, so I'm about to close off the vlog. I feel like I dragged this vlog so long. This vlog was meant to be like a day in my life, but it ended up being like a few days in my life, which is like 2 weeks. Yeah, this vlog was 2 weeks in my life. So yeah, I'm about to end it. I want to eat right now because y'all know after creating that content you have to eat. So I need to eat and then I will edit these pictures and finish editing this vlog because already I've started editing this vlog, so I just need to finish up and then it's good to go. I want to upload it tomorrow, which is a Friday. So yeah, tomorrow is a Friday. So if you are watching this vlog on a Friday and it just came out, just know that I recorded this clip, the last clip, the previous day. So yeah, ah man, I look so cute. I look cute and the curls are already dry. So yeah, I think I'm going to stretch them out, or should I show you guys how to stretch them out in the vlog? I don't know, but no, I don't think I'm gonna show you guys because it's just gonna be a lot. Like, this vlog is going to be long already. The clip that I have is like 41 minutes. So but yeah, if you did enjoy this vlog, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Also comment, tell me what you loved about the vlog. Just tell me something nice. Talk to me. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, bye.